Golden ticket. Chocolate. I love chocolates. Okay, see you later in the studio. Here I am with the lucky golden ticket winner, Violet Beauregard. Now, Violet Beauregard, how did you get your ticket? Well, I meant gum to normally, but when I heard about these ticket things and Mr. Wonka's, I laid off the gum and switched to candy bars in hopes of striking it lucky. Now, of course, I'm right back on the gum. Here I am with one of our lucky golden ticket winners, Eureka Salt. Now let's hear how he got a golden ticket. Where's my golden ticket? I want my golden ticket. Ah, here it is. As soon as I told my father I had to have one of their tickets, he went in town and bought all the Wonka bars he could lay his hands on. Hundreds and thousands he must have bought. He rushed home and gave it to me. And now I'm all smiles and we're a happy family once again. Here I am with Mike TV, one of the winners. So Mike TV, how do you get your golden ticket?
Of course I got a golden ticket. Like, why won't everyone leave me alone? I want to watch television, watch all the shows all day long. Welcome. Hello everybody. Now, if I can recognise anyone by these pictures and paper. Now, you're Augustus Glue.
Yeah.
Delighted to meet you. Delighted. You're Violet Beauregard.
So whatever I am, let's just get on with the whole thing. Huh?
Very happy to meet you. Very happy. You're Veruca Salt.
I'm not shaking your hand. It's probably all dirty from working in the chocolate factory.
You're Mike TV.
Come on, I'm missing all my daily TV shows.
You must be Charlie Bucket. Congratulations.
Yes, and that's my Grandpa Joe.
Now will you all please follow me? Our tour is about to begin. I don't see anything. Where's the food? Mr. Wonka, what's wrong with your river? It's all brown and muddy looking.
It's all chocolate. Ah, look over there. It's a little pond. It's a little man. Look over there. She's right, Grandpa. It is a little man. I see him, Sally.
This river's terrific. Oh boy, need a bucket to drink it properly. Ah,
Help! Help! Save him! He's down. He can't swim. By gum, it's gone. It's a piece of chewing gum. gum. Well, I haven't quite got it right yet. So you didn't touch it yet. How is the game? Spit it out immediately. I haven't got it right yet. Spit it out, young lady. Violet, you're turning violet. I told you I haven't quite got it right, you stubborn little girl. Oompa Loompas, please roll to the juicing room. Alright, I'll stop you there and take your breath. Now heat through the nut. Oh, look, Grandpa Joe. Look. Miniature squirrel. There must be 100 over there in that pile. These squirrels are trained for getting nuts out of walnuts. I've decided I want a squirrel. Get me one of those squirrels. You can't have one, they're not for sale. Who says I can't? I'm going to grab me a squirrel right this very minute. Darn! Alright, I'll have you. No, they all jumped on her. My goodness, she is a bad nut after all. This is a testing room. Now, let's see if my greatest and latest invention really works. Television chocolate. But what is television chocolate? Watch as a bar of chocolate is sent from one end of the room to another by television. It's absolutely fantastic! I'm going to be the first person to go by TV. See you later, alligator! Wow! It's an action figure! Look! Oh, that alligator. At least he's come out in one piece. Well done, Charlie. You've won. Yippee! Good on you, Charlie. Wonder what? How would you like to come and run the factory with things? I would love nothing more. Can all the family come? Yes, of course, my dear Mr. Grandpa Joe. Yay! Come with me and you'll be in a world of pure imagination. Take a look and you'll see into your imagination. We'll begin with a spin, traveling in the world of my creation. See, we'll defy exploration. What a view, paradise. Simply look around and view it. Want to change the world, let's not wait. Want to change the world, there's nothing to it. There is no life I know that comes close to your imagination. You'll be free if you truly wish to be.